Hey, what's up guys, it is me, Cactusbbies, and today we are going to be doing the Dollar Tree Challenge, so yeah. What you will need for this DIY is a bowl and a knife. This is the only thing I did not get at the Dollar Tree. Then I got some glue there. It's actually really surprising. I got two 4-ounce bottles for $1. Then a regular shaving cream. Then you will also need some activator. I got some Tide, and yeah. Then you are going to want to start off by putting in your 1 container of glue. Then you are going to want to add in your shaving cream. Once you have fully mixed the glue and shaving cream combination, you are going to want to add in our activator, which is the Tide washing detergent. When it starts to get challenging to mix within the bowl, you can then take it out and knead with your hands. Just a warning, this can become messy and it does take a little while. As you can see, it's not that stretchy, but the next slime we make will be. If you would want more ASMR, just check out my Instagram at Cactusbbies. And this is the final result of our fluffy slime. The next slime we'll be making is a plain slime. The same exact ingredients, but no shaving cream. And of course, me being me, I had to drop the glue into the glue. I did add some food coloring just to be able to tell a bigger difference between the two slimes. Then you are going to want to do the same exact thing with the laundry detergent and mix in, and you can knead with your hands if you want to. Again, it can be messy, so yeah.
What you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
Then I did add it into this container I also got from the Dollar Tree, so yeah. Then I did mix these two. So this is the final result of the two mixing slimes, and I would really love it if you guys would like and comment down below. Also subscribe for more videos like this. So yeah.